how to put down a road. So they're just doing one side at a time. That's how it comes out. They go all the way down the street. Look at that thing. And he brings back this. Dumps that stuff in there. This thing turns in circles. It goes right up next to the driveway. It's so smooth. And that's how you make a road. Just like that. And there's the roller down there. He's going to follow this track all the way down. And then this is the next phase. The rolling. And that goes quickly. Just rushing it. And he does a couple passes. They go backwards and forwards. So he said you can drive right on it, right afterwards. As you can see, it's made some lines in it. Oh shoot, that doesn't look good. There's a number of passes. This is his like third pass. Stuff smells horrible. You can hear him coming. There he is. Smushing it down. Now he's going a little bit slower. He's talking to somebody like. They go back and forth, back and forth. Woo. Another steamroller rolling over the steam. And now they're doing the other side of the road, pulling that thing up. Here's our new road. Here, all the way down. And this thing packs it down. Because the roads are going to be super smooth and fun. Oh yeah, but I don't know if our neighbor's going to enjoy having all that stuff on their grass. But apparently they just left it there and went home. They'll be back tomorrow to finish. Doesn't it? Super smooth too. I asked them if they do the driveway. They said yeah. I'm not sure how much the neighbors are going to enjoy this.